The end of an era. Apple has finally said goodbye to the legendary home button with the launch of the brand new iPhone 16e. But that's not the only change. This phone is bringing some major upgrades and a higher price tag. The iPhone 16e is a fresh take on Apple's budget-friendly lineup. But don't be fooled by the name. It now looks more like a high-end model. The iconic home button? Gone. Instead, you get a sleek, all-screen design with Face ID replacing the old fingerprint sensor. This phone comes with a stunning 6.1-inch OLED display, much better than the older LCD panels in previous budget iPhones. That means deeper colors, sharper details, and an overall premium experience. Apple didn't hold back on power either. The iPhone 16e is rocking the latest A-series chip, giving it blazing fast performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling through social media, this phone can handle it all. But not everyone is happy. With the home button gone, some longtime iPhone fans aren't thrilled about losing Touch ID. And that's not all. Apple has also removed the Lightning port, replacing it with USB-C, making it more compatible with other devices. For photography lovers, the camera is getting a big boost too. The iPhone 16e now features a 48-megapixel sensor with a built-in zoom lens, meaning sharper pictures and better night shots. Now, here's the part that might sting. Apple has raised the starting price. The iPhone 16e will now cost around $599. So, is it worth the upgrade? What do you think? Is the iPhone 16e a game changer, or is Apple removing too much while charging more? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.